Coinsurance is your share of a medical bill as a percentage. Here's how it works, simply. I'm Maya. Coinsurance sounds complicated, but it's just one way you and your insurer split a bill. Let's break it down.
Coinsurance is a percentage of the allowed amount, the negotiated rate your insurer set with an in-network provider. If your plan says 20% coinsurance, you pay 20% of that allowed amount.
Key rule. Coinsurance usually applies only after you've met your deductible. Before that, you typically pay the full allowed amount yourself.
People mix these up. Coinsurance is a percentage of the bill. A copay is a fixed dollar amount, like $20, no matter the bill.
The allowed amount for an office visit is $100. Your coinsurance is 20%, and you've met your deductible. You pay 20% of $100, which is $20. That $20 comes from 20% of the $100 allowed amount. The insurer pays the other $80.
In-network coinsurance is usually lower, around 20%. Out-of-network can be 40% or not covered at all. Stay in-network when you can.
Coinsurance counts toward your out-of-pocket maximum. Once you hit it, your plan pays 100% of covered in-network costs for the rest of the year.
Lower monthly premiums usually mean higher coinsurance, and vice versa. A cheap premium can mean bigger bills when you actually use care.
Quick recap. Coinsurance. Simply,
Coinsurance is a percentage of the allowed amount, the negotiated rate. A copay is a fixed dollar amount.
It applies after your deductible, and it counts toward your out-of-pocket maximum.
My name is Maya. If this helped, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's make insurance simple.